a mystical tapestry unveiling Southeast Asia's soul. This journey will take us through the heart of a region where history, culture, and spirituality intertwine seamlessly. Southeast Asia, a land of vibrant colors, intoxicating aromas, and ancient whispers. The bustling markets filled with the scent of exotic spices and the sight of colorful textiles tell stories of a rich cultural heritage. It's a region where spirituality is woven into the very fabric of life. Monks in saffron robes, the sound of chanting, and the sight of devotees offering prayers create a serene and sacred atmosphere. Temples, ancient and grand, stand as testaments to this enduring faith. These structures, with their intricate carvings and towering spires, are not just places of worship but also symbols of architectural brilliance. They beckon travelers to explore their mystical heart. Each temple has its own story, its own unique charm, inviting us to delve deeper into its mysteries. Join me as we embark on a journey through time and spirituality. We'll walk through ancient ruins, speak with locals, and uncover the layers of history that have shaped this region. We'll uncover the secrets of Southeast Asia's most iconic temples. From the majestic Angkor Wat in Cambodia to the awe-inspiring Borobudur in Indonesia and the golden Shwedagon Pagoda in Myanmar. Prepare to be amazed by architectural wonders. Delve into captivating history. Each temple is a masterpiece, showcasing the artistic and engineering prowess of ancient civilizations. Experience the profound peace that permeates these sacred spaces. The tranquility of temple gardens, the meditative silence, and the spiritual ambience offer a retreat from the chaos of modern life. Our journey takes us first to the heart of Cambodia, a land where ancient temples rise from the jungle and history whispers through the leaves. Here, amidst lush jungles, lies a testament to the Khmer Empire's power and artistry. Angkor Wat awaits. This iconic temple complex, with its grand scale and intricate details, stands as a symbol of Cambodia's rich heritage and the ingenuity of its people.
Angkor Wat. Even the name evokes a sense of awe. It is a sprawling masterpiece of stone. This temple complex is a testament to the Khmer Empire's architectural genius. Imagine intricate carvings adorning every surface. Scenes from Hindu epics come to life before your eyes. Deities and demons frozen in eternal struggle.
Angkor Wat is more than just a temple. It's a symbol of Cambodia's rich cultural heritage. The temple's central tower represents Mount Meru. This is the mythical abode of the gods in Hindu cosmology. Walking through Angkor Wat is like stepping back in time. You can almost hear the echoes of ancient rituals. Travel tip: arrive early to witness the sunrise over Angkor Wat.
Bagan, where temples touch the sky. This ancient city, located in the heart of Myanmar, is a place where history and spirituality converge in a breathtaking display of architectural wonder. Next, we journey to Myanmar, a land rich in culture and tradition. Our destination is Bagan, a city that has stood the test of time and continues to inspire awe in all who visit. Here, on the vast plains of Bagan, over 2,000 temples and pagodas reach for the heavens, creating a skyline unlike any other. These structures, built between the 9th and 13th centuries, are a testament to the devotion and craftsmanship of the Burmese people. Imagine a sea of ancient stupas, stretching as far as the eye can see. Each stupa, with its unique design and history, adds to the rich tapestry of Bagan's landscape. This is Bagan, a testament to the devotion of the Burmese people. Walking among these ancient structures, one can't help but feel a deep sense of reverence and wonder.
Each temple in Bagan has a story to tell. The intricate carvings and detailed architecture speak of a time when art and spirituality were deeply intertwined. Some temples are grand and imposing, towering above the landscape with their majestic spires and elaborate designs. Others are small and intimate, nestled among the trees and offering a quiet place for reflection and meditation. Explore hidden passages and climb to the top of stupas. Each step reveals a new perspective, a new story waiting to be discovered. The panoramic views will take your breath away. From the top, you can see the vast expanse of temples stretching out in every direction, a sight that is both humbling and inspiring. As the sun dips below the horizon, the temples glow with an ethereal light. The warm hues of the setting sun cast a magical glow over the ancient structures, creating a scene that feels almost otherworldly. It's a truly unforgettable sight. Watching the sunset over Bagan is an experience that stays with you long after you've left, a memory that captures the beauty and serenity of this incredible place. Travel tip: explore Bagan by bicycle for an immersive experience. Cycling through the temple plains allows you to take in the sights at your own pace, stopping to explore whenever something catches your eye. Don't miss the chance to take a hot air balloon ride over the temple plains at sunrise. Floating above the temples as the first light of day illuminates the landscape is a truly magical experience, offering a perspective of Bagan that is both unique and unforgettable.
Borobudur, a mandala of enlightenment. This ancient marvel is not just a temple, but a symbol of spiritual journey and cosmic harmony. Our journey now takes us to Indonesia, to the island of Java, a land rich in culture, history, and natural beauty. Here, amidst verdant rice paddies, stands Borobudur, a serene and majestic presence in the heart of nature. This majestic temple is one of the world's greatest Buddhist monuments. Its grandeur and spiritual significance draw visitors from all corners of the globe. Imagine a giant mandala built from volcanic stone, each stone meticulously placed to create a cosmic diagram of the universe. Its intricate carvings tell the story of Buddha's journey to enlightenment. These stone reliefs are like pages of an ancient book, narrating tales of wisdom and compassion.
Borobudur was lost to the jungle for centuries, hidden beneath layers of volcanic ash and dense vegetation. It was rediscovered in the 19th century, thanks to the efforts of explorers and archaeologists who unveiled its hidden splendor. Today, it stands as a testament to the enduring power of faith, a beacon of spiritual resilience and human ingenuity. Pilgrims from around the world come here to retrace Buddha's steps, seeking solace and enlightenment in this sacred space. They walk the circular terraces, ascending towards enlightenment, each step a meditation, each terrace a level of spiritual awakening. Travel tip: visit Borobudur at sunrise for a truly mystical experience. The first light of dawn illuminating the temple creates an ethereal atmosphere. Hire a local guide to explain the stories behind the intricate carvings. Their insights will enrich your understanding and appreciation of this magnificent monument. Our final destination is Bangkok, Thailand. Here on the banks of the Chao Phraya River stands Wat Arun.
This iconic temple is known as the Temple of Dawn. Its towering spire, encrusted with colorful porcelain, dominates the Bangkok skyline.
Wat Arun's design is truly unique. It's a blend of Khmer and Thai architectural styles. The central spire represents Mount Meru. It's surrounded by smaller spires, symbolizing the four continents of Buddhist cosmology.
Visit Wat Arun during one of the temple's many festivals. Experience the vibrant culture of Thailand.
Take a riverboat to Wat Arun for stunning views of the temple from the water. Visit in the evening to see the temple illuminated against the night sky. Our journey through the mystical temples of Southeast Asia is more than just sightseeing. It's a journey of spiritual exploration. Each temple offers a glimpse into the rich tapestry of beliefs and traditions that shape this region.
The grandeur of Angkor Wat reminds us of the ephemeral nature of empires. The serenity of Bagan inspires contemplation and reflection. Borobudur's intricate carvings guide us on our own path to enlightenment. Wat Arun's radiant spire symbolizes the triumph of hope over adversity.
While the temples are undoubtedly the main attraction, don't miss the opportunity to experience the warmth and hospitality of the local people. Venture beyond the tourist trail, explore bustling markets, savor delicious street food, engage in conversation with locals. You'll discover the true heart of Southeast Asia. Learn a few basic phrases in the local language. A simple hello or thank you goes a long way. Respect local customs and traditions. Dress modestly when visiting temples. Remember, you are a guest in their country. The flavors of faith culinary delights. Food is an integral part of Southeast Asian culture. It's a sensory experience that tantalizes the taste buds. Each region has its own unique culinary traditions. From spicy Thai curries to fragrant Vietnamese pho, there's something to please every palate. Sample local delicacies at street food stalls. Take a cooking class to learn the secrets of Southeast Asian cuisine. Share a meal with a local family. Food has a way of bringing people together. Responsible travel preserving heritage. As you journey through Southeast Asia, remember to travel responsibly. These ancient temples are fragile treasures. They need our protection. Support sustainable tourism initiatives. Choose eco-friendly accommodations. Avoid single-use plastics. Be mindful of your impact on the environment and local communities. Your actions can help preserve these sacred sites for generations to come. finding your path, embracing the journey. The journey through Southeast Asia's mystical temples is not just about ticking off a bucket list, it's about opening yourself to new experiences. It's about connecting with different cultures. It's about discovering something within yourself. Embrace the unknown, get lost in the moment, allow yourself to be transformed by the experience. Come, explore the mystical East. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, book your tickets, and embark on your own adventure through Southeast Asia's mystical temples. Discover the magic that awaits. This is a journey that will stay with you long after you've returned home. It's a journey that will ignite your spirit and leave you forever changed.